guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to get into the tutorial already. As I said, we are going to watch, or rather see how you can utilize Bitcoin a little bit more, right? How do you actually buy Bitcoin? For many people out there, I want to go out and kind of give you guys an update. So I made a video on this channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, guys, hit the subscribe button below. Why? Because I put out these tutorials at least 3 videos a week. What I try to do is on a Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday is when I actually post. So make sure that you tune in at least those days. But I do post other videos during the week as well. But minimum 3 videos a week. I try to focus on cryptocurrency. I try to focus also on trading and marketing on this channel. So you will find all this information there for you in terms of skill sets and how to learn to pave the way for your dreams to come true. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. You shouldn't be taking any financial advice from anybody on YouTube. And I have all those disclaimers below. But I made a video a couple of years ago now. As you can see, this video was made in June 2018. And I showed you guys how to personally buy Bitcoin with your blockchain wallet. Now, why Bitcoin? What's going on? This is 2018, guys. This is 2 years ago. I don't even remember what was the price. I don't know. We couldn't see here. The price of Bitcoin was $6,000. Okay. Now let's go to today, where the price is 39. As of today, as of the day I'm shooting this video, guys, is $39,466. Okay. As I said, that was in 2018, and this is just a little bit of proof for you why skill sets like trading cryptocurrency is important, why you can actually learn something and build a good this is one of the ways, and I'm gonna sorry a good reputation online itself, or even just a good income stream for any kind of endeavors that you want, right? Any kind of skill set. So this is personally what I'm sharing with you guys on this channel, and I have been sharing for the last 2 years. So if you haven't yet subscribed, as I mentioned, hit that subscribe button below. Now, if you joined as I have more than couple of years ago, just purchasing Bitcoin, definitely there's going to be a good spike that you have got. But even if you haven't, okay, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Now, what I personally do is I believe in Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go back to cryptocurrency, just coin market cap to show you. I believe a lot in Bitcoin, and I believe a lot in Ethereum as well. Now, why do I believe a lot in Bitcoin? Simply because it is a proof of concept. Okay, it's a proof of concept that is gaining much more popularity, that's gaining much more strength in the market right now. This is just my opinion, guys. I'm just sharing my opinion about it. Okay, so that's why I have always believed in it, and I like that there's a video 2 years ago about it, because it gives you an idea of how long also I've been looking at it and accumulating a little by little every single day. Now, the way I'm going to show you, this is just a tutorial video, right? There are many ways that you can find on how to purchase Bitcoin online. Okay, there are many ways, and you might find different ways on this channel as well. But I'm going to show you one way today, specifically with a blockchain.com wallet. Now, blockchain.com wallet, or blockchain wallet, okay, is a wallet that has been there for a long time. As I showed you guys 2 years ago, I was using the same wallet. 2 years have passed. I'm still using the same wallet. Now I have some Bitcoin in this wallet, right? I've received a payout, actually a withdrawal from one of my programs that I have in the background, and that's why you can see the money is in my back office. Okay, sorry, in my wallet right now. That's there. Now, Bitcoin is very easy to purchase on blockchain.com, but I do want to go a step-by-step tutorial so that in case you don't have the information, this is one of the ways. Now, many vendors are there outside. You can definitely buy Bitcoin in different ways, but the simplest way, in my opinion, through blockchain.com. There are other simpler ways. There are other apps. There are other wallets that you can find. In fact, if you want to check out some of those wallets, guys, I have them in the description. I have specifically two wallets, crypto.com wallet and a Virex wallet. That is an easier method for you to purchase also Bitcoin. I will be making videos on that. Don't worry about it. But today I want to talk about blockchain. Why? Because I've used blockchain for the longest time. It does have a high security. However, there are other wallets like Exodus wallet and your hard wallets that have higher security than blockchain.com. Okay, don't get me wrong, this is good, but that is better. Okay, just I'm going to keep it as simple as possible for you to understand. Now, blockchain.com, what I personally do and how I purchase Bitcoin is, as you can see right here on the top of the screen, it says send, request, swap, buy and sell crypto, earn an interest, and borrow. Now, we're going to go through all of these aspects. Okay, we're going to start with borrow because I personally have never done this, but as you can see, it gives me a limit of how much I can actually borrow. Now, what does this mean? Get USDT digital directly from your blockchain wallet. Use your blockchain as collateral. You need to have a gold level. This basically is the verification statuses and security statuses. Now, before there was specifically very limited amount of cryptocurrencies on blockchain. Now there are much more, as you can see. Not a whole lot, but a decent amount. Now you can borrow, let's say you cannot borrow Ethereum, you can borrow just basically Bitcoin at the moment. So I could borrow a 337 amount of Bitcoin. Now I'm not sure what this means. This amount does not include the required collateral network fee. Okay, great. So it'll be less than that amount. Now, this option over here, I'm just showing that it exists, showing to you that it exists. Please do your due diligence. Please do your research before you go and actually select this option, okay? Now you can earn an interest as well. This is specifically 6.5 per annum. This is up to 4.4 per annum. And basically what this does is you can just, you can see right here, up to 12% annually. And if, for example, I want Ethereum and I click on earn an interest, I have to transfer Ethereum here and it gives me, let me check. Yeah, it gives me an entire rate and I need to keep that amount there for a specific amount of time. I'm not sure how long, but I know that it needs to be there. So this is one of the things that you can do. As you can see, I don't have any transactions because this is not something that I'm doing, but you could, okay, if you want to earn on your crypto. Now, what we are going to talk about today, so I'm going to take away my face from the screen because I guess it's blocking this area, okay? But we're going to talk a little bit more, guys. Don't worry about that, okay? So as you can see right here, you can buy crypto and sell for cash. What this basically means is we're on the third option of buy or sell crypto. Now you can buy or you can sell. So as you can see, I personally have some crypto in my wallets, but I can buy as well. Now, if I want to buy Bitcoin, you can see the price of Bitcoin is 39,519. Now, this doesn't mean, guys, this doesn't mean that you spend 39,000 on one Bitcoin, okay? You can purchase $100 worth, okay? One of the strategies that a lot of hodlers do, and what a hodler is basically somebody who's holding the cryptocurrency for a long time. One of the strategies that they do is just like you have a savings account and you have a certain amount of money that you're putting into the savings account every month. That's what's many people, including myself, we take a little bit of the income that we get and we utilize it, for example, $100 a month and purchase a little Bitcoin every single month. That way we're accumulating it as the years go by. Okay, that's just a strategy. Again, this is a strategy. I'm not a financial advisor. Please know that I'm just sharing with you some ideas if you want. Now you say, okay, I want to test this wallet. How do I buy Bitcoin? You can click on buy Bitcoin. Okay, basically buy and click on Bitcoin. And as you can see right here, I have a maximum of 600, which I can buy through my card. Now, if I want to change this payment method, okay, if I want to change this payment method, let's put 100 here just so we see. Okay, 1,000 I cannot, 100 I can, but as you can see right here, I have a limit of 5,000, 5,000. Now if I add a new and I add a wire transfer, this limit will increase. Okay, or I can send directly a wire transfer to the account. So as you can see right here, it gives me a reference ID, it gives me a recipient, it gives me account number, it gives me everything that I need to and how much time, and I can send. So there are two ways. You can buy it through a debit card. Now, obviously, credit or debit card. Now, obviously, this means that there is a limit. As you can see, I have a $600 limit. How can this change? That is based on the security information and the security details. But right now, this is the limit that I can purchase, okay? Which is completely fine, okay? Which is completely fine in my opinion. It's not an issue at all. That's how you can purchase, okay? You click on next, it takes you, let's for I'm not going to purchase it, guys, because I don't need it, but just for example purposes, I'm going to show you. You go next. It tells you the price at the moment. See, as you can see, it refreshed. It's already hit 40,000. There's a fee. So the total amount you spend from your pocket is 102, and then you get this amount of Bitcoin. Okay, that's all. Yes, cancel order because I don't want to buy it. But just to give you an example, that's a very simple way to buy it. Now, when you purchase it here, it doesn't, I'm not sure because I haven't purchased directly for a Bitcoin for a while, but I have purchased. So let's actually look at this and see on received. These are all earnings actually that I've received from my business. So we will go to, you can create as many wallets, but if I'm not mistaken, when you purchase it, it goes to the trading wallet right here. Aha, as you can see, I purchased, for example, this is in 2020. Okay, I purchased some amount of Bitcoin and it went to the trading wallet. Or I sent money to the trading wallet. It doesn't really matter. The point that I'm trying to make is most of the time it goes to the trading wallet and it will stay there for about 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, before you can transfer it over to the main wallet. Now you can create as many wallet IDs as you want with one program that I mean with one blockchain.com account. And this is important because in my opinion, when you have different options available, when you're getting, for example, I get affiliate commissions from a certain affiliate marketing program, it comes directly to a specific wallet. So all I do is literally go to, so if I go to Bitcoin, let's just do this and show you guys, and I can go here and select whichever wallet, or I can go to where is it? Let me just go back right now. Yeah, so I need to go, let's go to the main wallet. Yes, Bitcoin. Yes. And sorry, I need to go to settings, wallets and addresses, as you can see right here. And then I can change these addresses, okay? So for example, I don't need this one right here. I can delete it, okay? So for example, this one, I really don't need this. I don't know why it's there. I'm gonna put more options and I am going to archive because I don't really need it. Done. Okay. The only one that has account is this one right here. The others not so much at the moment because that's the one that's used the most. However, you can do the same. Okay, you can create as many. It's very easy to create a wallet also. So for example, I just create a new wallet, name the wallet, and that's it. And I can use that specific ID for whatever I want. Okay, so that's how you create a new bitcoin.com wallet. But why is this not closing, guys? No idea. So yeah, so let's go back to Bitcoin and the point that I'm trying to make. So that's how you buy, and how you sell is pretty much the same way. If you want to sell the amount, now see, as you can see, I have $675 in my account. If I want to sell this, I just click on the account and I can sell it to euros. Yeah, this is the maximum I can sell for some reason. I can sell it to a euro account, and then from a euro account, I can send it to my bank. So I sell it to an account within the platform itself. Once I sell it from the account within the platform itself, then I can go ahead and actually send it to my bank account if that's the case that I need it. Okay, so hopefully that answers everybody's questions. Let's go back down here, show my face a little bit. And it's a very simple web method, in my opinion, that you can purchase Bitcoin. It's a very simple method. And as I said before, I've been using this method since 2018. It's worked really well for me in 2018. It's very simple to purchase a coin, buy, click on buy, use your credit card, a debit card, and that's it. There are other ways, guys, but this is one way which I want to share with you, and I will be posting more videos about this. So thanks for watching, spending the time with me. And if you're interested to learn how to actually, start trading cryptocurrency, I have a really nice free method also in the first link in the description of this video. Okay, so feel free to check that out in case you're interested. Obviously, that has been working the last 3 years for myself personally. In case you're interested to get started and educate yourself on how to actually start trading cryptocurrency. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.